The rupee has once again fallen to a record low of 82.3 against the dollar. The rupee has fallen by 32 paise from its previous close at 81.88 against the dollar's oil prices fell after rising by 1% in the early trade. The dollar also moved lower in choppy trade against 6 other pairs. Priyanshi joins us with the very latest. Priyanshi, the rupee is down over 10% this year and now breaching that 82 mark for the second time, currently at 82.3 against the dollar.
That's right, Rishika. The current exact rate of the rupee is 82.37 per dollar. And as you said, it is fallen by 10% just this year. In the month of January, rupee was trading around 74 to the dollar, and now it's down to 82. So our currency has lost 8 rupees of its value in just a matter of 9 months from January to now. It's down by 10%. If we talk about just today, the rupee is weakened by 48 paise. It opened at around 82.16 per dollar, and now it's down to 82.37 per dollar. This is it also hit an all-time low today. It weakened to 82.38. It's still very close to that. So today the rupee is trading at its all-time low that it has seen, and it's the first time that rupee has breached the 82 per dollar mark. Before that, it was around 81.9. That was the last record low, and today it has breached that 82 per dollar mark. Now, if we talk about why this is happening, or what's the sudden trigger, is the World Bank's announcement yesterday. The World Bank yesterday cut India's financial year 23 growth forecast by 1 percentage point from 7.5% to 6.5%. That's the recent trigger for this. But the overall trigger has been, the overall reasons for the rupee falling have been a rising dollar. Dollar, remember, is close to its 2-decade high, and also global recession fears. So if we talk about why this happened today, rupee had been weakening almost every day, almost every session. But why it weakened today so sharply by close to 40 paise? That's because the World Bank cut India's growth forecast prediction, India's growth forecast for the financial year 23 growth. So that is why the investors are now again concerned about India's growth for the current year. So they want to take out money from India and go back to dollar-based investments. That's what's taking the rupee high, the dollar high. The dollar, as I said, is close to a 2-decade high, and that's why the rupee is falling in comparison. The global recession fears are also weighing in on this. Central banks are increasing rates. The U.S. Central Bank increased rates. The Indian Central Bank has also increased rates by 190 basis points from April to now. So all of that is weighing in on global recession fears and lowering growth prospects for India, because, of course, rising interest rates hurt the demand in the economy. They also hurt the growth in the economy. The rising interest rates are taking the growth projections for the current year down for India and for other countries as well. And that is why the rupee is falling, because the growth figures, the growth forecast, and the recession concerns are rising while the growth forecasts are falling.